In the dynamic world of social media, where content is king, video editing tools have become indispensable for creators aiming to stand out. Snapvid.AI emerges as a transformative force, bringing innovation and efficiency to the forefront of video editing. In this video, we explore the key features that make Snapvid.AI a standout choice, especially for those looking to enhance their TikTok automation efforts. Auto captions. Snapvid.AI's auto-captioning feature catapults it into a league of its own. Going beyond the conventional bounds of video editing, this tool utilizes state-of-the-art speech recognition technology to automatically transcribe spoken words and videos. This not only caters to the needs of the hearing-impaired audience, but also significantly broadens the reach of the content by making it more accessible to a diverse audience. What sets Snapvid.AI apart is its ability to save time for content creators. The burdensome task of manual transcription is replaced by a seamless, automated process, allowing creators to concentrate on crafting engaging narratives and visually stunning content. Smart footage. Snapvid.AI's smart footage feature is a testament to the tool's commitment to simplifying the video editing process. This innovative functionality utilizes artificial intelligence to analyze video content and suggest edits, transitions, and enhancements. By understanding the nuances of pacing, color grading, and composition, Snapvid.AI's smart footage ensures that videos are not only visually appealing but also resonate with the preferences of today's discerning audiences. Whether you're a novice or an experienced content creator, the smart footage feature acts as a creative companion, providing intelligent suggestions to enhance the overall quality of your videos. This marks a paradigm shift, allowing creators to focus on storytelling and creativity, while Snapvid.AI takes care of the technical intricacies. Seamless integration with YouTube video clips. Snapvid.AI takes versatility to the next level with its seamless integration of YouTube video clips. Recognizing the abundance of content available on YouTube, Snapvid.AI allows users to effortlessly incorporate clips into their projects. This integration not only saves time but also provides creators with a vast pool of resources to enrich their videos. TikTok automation. In the age of short-form video dominance, TikTok has emerged as a powerhouse, and Snapvid.AI positions itself as a frontrunner in TikTok automation. With a user-friendly interface and powerful features, Snapvid.AI simplifies the process of creating engaging TikTok content. Snapvid.AI is engineered to seamlessly align with TikTok's unique requirements, from video duration constraints to aspect ratio specifications. This ensures that content creators can effortlessly adapt their videos to meet TikTok's guidelines without the need for manual adjustments. Moreover, Snapvid.AI's smart footage feature proves to be particularly advantageous for TikTok content creation. By analyzing trending styles, effects, and transitions, Snapvid.AI empowers users to stay ahead of TikTok trends effortlessly, enhancing the visibility and impact of their content. Pricing overview. The basic package, priced at $24 per month, billed annually, is an excellent entry-level option. It offers 30 videos per month, each in 1080p HD video quality. Users can creatively express themselves with animated moving emojis and enjoy a 500 megabytes upload limit per project. For those requiring more extensive features, the Pro package, at $47 per month, billed yearly. The Creator package, priced at $78 per month, provides even more flexibility with 120 videos per month and a 10 gigabytes upload limit. Finally, the Enterprise package offers unlimited videos, 4K HD video quality, animated moving emojis, and custom API integrations, with pricing available upon request. If you want to get your first video for free, simply sign up using the first link in the description. Snapvid.AI stands as a transformative force in the realm of video editing, offering a comprehensive set of features that cater to the diverse needs of content creators. As TikTok continues its ascent as a dominant force in the social media landscape, Snapvid.AI positions itself as an invaluable tool for TikTok automation. The platform's user-friendly interface, powerful features, and commitment to staying ahead of trends make it a go-to choice for creators aiming to make a lasting impact. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you liked this video, don't forget to hit the like button below and subscribe. See you in the next video.